Ko, panado ang people power dito. Jaime Sobel de Ayala was a professional photographer. He asked us for a photo shoot.
He took that photo po.
Yung usok-usok sa likod, alam mo yung dry ice na nilagay sa bucket? Kaya may kunyari usok for effect. Yung photoshoot dun sa bahay niya sa Forest Park. Alam naman there's a lot of curiosity about us then. Cadet. Graduation photo.
Wow.
I was 21.
Wow.
That was a lifetime ago. That's former President Ramos and former Minister Enrile. Nasa tabi dyan si former President Cory Aquino. There was an affair in Camp Aguinaldo. Pinatawag. After a jump din yan, agad pakatalon, hubad ako ng parachute, and then punta rin. I was a fugitive then. After the 1987 uprising, I went into hiding for 7 years. That's one picture. I think it was about 38, 39. That was 22-23, Sunday, February 23, 1986.
Wow.
I advised then Minister Enrile na tumawid na kami to cross from Aguinaldo to Camp Crame so that we could join forces with former President Fidel Ramos, was then a general. Takot ako noon, agad because tatawid kami dun sa milyon-milyon na Pilipino, people power. Siyempre, kinakabahan ako noon, baka, magalit sila sa amin. Pagtawid namin, nagyakapan, nagpalakpakan, sa loob-loob ko, panado ang people power dito.